TaskTowers is a semi-ambient display for tracking the progress of projects in a collaborative workplace. Ambient information systems are designed to present information at a glance without conscious effort on the part of the user. TaskTowers combines an ambient physical representation of progress with an information-rich dashboard-style display. We introduce the term semi-ambient to describe this hybrid interface. The device seeks to address the inability of current ambient displays to provide detailed information and the overcomplexity of existing workplace dashboards, which inhibit their ability to convey glanceable information. Progress is represented by a tower of sand. Usually, this is all that is visible, but when a user is detected, the device presents a list of tasks. Using simple gestures, tasks can be marked as complete, resulting in the growth of the tower. When the user approaches the device, their presence and gestures are detected by a Microsoft Kinect. Messages are sent to a control computer which animates the projected list of tasks and communicates with an Arduino microcontroller, triggering the release of sand. The animation and sand release give immediate visual feedback to the user. The sand towers provide an aesthetically pleasing abstract representation of information, while remaining permanently visible, whereas the tasks list gives an information-rich interactive user experience which only becomes visible upon interaction.